It's your boy. Oh,
It's your boy Skinny Long Bread. Yeah.
shut up. Alright, so today we're going to be cooking. Today we're going to be cooking.
What are you guys doing in my kitchen?
Oh, yeah, no, we're making a YouTube.
It's my kitchen.
I don't care. We're making a YouTube video. Alright, so today.
Oh, so you're like going to be cooking breakfast?
Yes, Jesus Christ.
Today we're going to be teaching you how to cook a nice spaghetti. It's pretty easy. It's actually very hard. Only professionals can do it.
Right, guys.
So what you want to do? What you wanna do?
This is my dinner.
No. Alright, so today. Alright, so you just grab a spaghetti.
And if you want to keep it if you want to fix it up, what you can do, the packet is very smart. Like if you do it,
It's hilarious how no one cares. Alright, so back
can
on
keep
with
it-
the show. Back on with the show. Alright, get out of the freaking shot. Alright, so what you want to do is look, get out of there. Grab this. Shiznit.
We need to get all the stuff set up first.
Shit.
Mate. Jeez.
Yeah, so just open it up, eh? And then thanks about that. Alright, so anyway.
Oh yeah, this is the main ingredient. What are you
Yeah, so anyway, you grab it, right? And then you want to grab a bowl. I don't know where the bowls are because this is Batman's kitchen.
why don't we're gonna
What are you trying to say? Get out of here. Get out. Oh yeah, nah, this
we're
is
gonna be using
this
we're
is
gonna,
my dog turd.
we're gonna be
So anyway, back to this, right? So you grab the spaghetti and just plop it in there, you know. If it wants to plop, oh yuck, that was just delicious. Oh yeah, chuck it in there, you know.
Right, now what you want to get is some nice, delicious dog meat. It's very nutritious. A lot of people think you can't eat this stuff, but it's very high in protein. So what, we're going to chuck this stuff in. Just a bit of that. Right, yeah. Now what you want to do, you want to get another spoon because we don't want to contaminate.
And you might even actually need a knife, you know. You might just need
Just a small one.
just a small one.
Let's clean. We won't use that. We'll use a nice, clean, easy spoon. Now what you want to do, you want to mix the dog food and the spaghetti together, just like this. And if someone may kindly close this up. Now what you want to do is get the blender. So come with me. We'll get the blender.
Oh, I'd flip it round, eh? Oh, Matt,
Alright.
look. Let me. This is the bat. This is the bat and the blender. You don't know
Yeah.
how to work these things.
So you got to do this. Yep. Mix it in. You're gonna need a chucker.
It's not facing the blender, you piece of shiznit.
What are
What
you
you wanna
trying to
do-
attempt, mate? Just like
So now once you've got that in, you want to not even think about it. Just put the whole skin
no.
in.
We want to go for the flavour some banana.
Oh yeah, now you want to get some eggs out of the freezer. Alright,
It's your boy.
if we even have freaking eggs. So there's the egg here, right here guys. So you want to get an egg, you want to just break that nice, make sure there's no shells in it, otherwise you'll ruin the milk. Alright, now you want to put the lid on. Maybe chuck a spoon like this, joking. We want to make it too disgusting. You got to actually eat it. Alright, blend it up. There we go. Nice and blenderated.
Shit.
Now you want to stop it and get a few seasoners, okay? Right
a bit
here.
of seasoning, eh?
Just a bit of seasoning.
Guys, can you guys smell that thing?
Oh, that smells nice. Right, just a
Oh.
little bit of seasoning. Just got to sprinkle it in there. Not too much, okay? That's it. Yep. Now you want to keep on going a bit. Make sure we're getting every single bit of it.
Oh, mate, stop. We're
Here
gonna
we
break
go.
it back. Mate, listen to that. That is not the sound you want to hear, alright? No, mate, get back now. This is my kitchen. Get out of here. Nah. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of it. You're breaking my blender. You're taking my spaghetti, and all I want is some simple pat. Nah, I'm done.
Now you want to get a nice little cup.
You're not even doing it properly, alright? Where's the bread? Someone get me some bread. You! Where's the bread? Zach. Yeah, so what I was saying is, I'm gonna chuck the bread in.
Don't look at me. You piece of shit. That's what they're the back of the freaking stove.
What? What's your point?
Shit.
Again. Maybe it wasn't even my blender that was broken. Maybe it was just you guys being retards wasting my gas.
It's not freaking gas. It's the sparks that ignite the gas. You want to start, you gotta go like this. Is that one okay?
No one cares. No one
Alright,
cares.
now you want to put it in.
Oh wait, no, this is perfect. This isn't perfect.
Yep. This is how you toast it. Now,
Mate, I'm toasting it.
you need to get some tongs, bro.
We're not even... What are you talking about, mate?
That's a knife sharpener.
Exactly. The whole point is to roast the bread
Boy,
with
I'm
the
about
newest
to
technology.
flame ya. What are those?
It actually smells quite nice.
What's the smell?
Now you want to pour it in. There we go. Nice and
Right, that's a
easy.
drink right there. That's a bit much. We've got to save some for the toast.
Yep. So you don't want to use it all. You got to save some from the toast. Right. That's around. That's about right. Now what you want to do? You want to fry it up and make like a crepe-looking thing. So you get some butter. Right. Now what you want to do? You want to turn it on.
Flame ya.
Just to flame it. Yeah, there we go. There's a nice little flame. Now this will oil the thing so your crepe won't stick. Just like so. Stick the whole thing in there, yep. Just like that. And you want to keep on doing that till it melts. Alright, see how it's melted? Okay, stop doing it. No, that's what you need to do later. Now, see how it's melted? Just pour a little bit on there. It's quickly like that. There we go. This will cook us up a nice crepe. Nice and easy. Alright, now, yep. Yep. Because you've got to get that nice banana flavour on it. Now what you're going to do, you're going to cut it up at the same time. You don't have to peel it. I mean, the banana skin is actually quite healthy for you. And there's still a little split in there so you actually know when it's cooking. Yep, got the spoon. Yep, you want to get those juices just perfectly, just drizzled over the top. Just you know, just you don't want to drown it. You know, you don't want to drown it so you can't see them. You want to just a perfect even spread, just like so, right? Yep. There we go.
I reckon that's almost done, eh?
Yep.
Right, so while old Sketch is cooking up the feed, I'm going to give us a nice drink. So all you want to grab is some sweet chilli sauce, add some real spicy flavour, some iced tea, not too icy though, and the odd occasional Greek salad dressing. All you're going to want to do is, I don't know, what are you going to do? Use the same blender you used before. Because you want to really mix in the kind of flavours so they match.
Where's the spatula?
Spatula?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what spatulas with, eh? Right there.
Right.
Right, you're
Oh,
going to
run into me next time, you piece of shiz.
Jeez.
Yes.
Alright, let's just open up this. Really gather that flavour in.
That's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Oh my gosh, we're gonna die.
You're not going to die.
Shut up, you don't even know what you're talking about, this shit. Should be good, should be good. Actually smells really nice.
This is for the nice clean liquid, so you don't have to brush your teeth in the morning. You just have one shot of this and you'll be right for weeks. And the Greek salad dressing. Alright, now all you're going to want to do is chuck the lid on. Turn on the lid. Really categorize the flavours.
Alright guys, so what we need to do, we need to grab a bowl, and prick of the bowls in here, right? Now, we actually might need a plate, so what you want to do, you want to grab it, there we go, beautiful. Alright, then you want to get your buttered bread that you've put in, like a few, before we started it, when we were buttering up the pan. You just want to get it in there. Just slap it in there, just slap it. Just scrape it off, get some banana, You don't want to miss any of this stuff because this is vital for your sandwich. Just like so. You also want to slather it on there.
Then you got to make sure you add the top bread to it.
And you want to cover, after I get my spatula, you want to get a nice, just a normal standard soup spoon will do. Just, yep, some nice juice on that.
So
Slather it on.
stupid.
Just slather it on. This is beautiful. You know what? This is looking too good. Yep. Oh, beautiful. Just look at that. Oh, beautiful. That's perfect, guys. Right.
You gotta go for the real part, mate.
Yeah, he's gonna wash it down with his drink.
This is the full effect, guys.
Now I feel awake and ready.
Hey, mate.
Alright, and now I'm pumped for the morning.
Oh, he's having a seizure, he's having a seizure, he's having a seizure. Okay, go help him, go help him, go help him. Wait, what the hell? Wait, hold this, hold this, hold this. I know CPR. CPR. Oh, yuck, he snotted in my face.
Oh,
Ready for the morning.
Oh, okay.
See you in the next one, boys.
Alright, thanks. Yeah, so if you like this video, go like and subscribe and you might even get more videos like this. Good old shiznit.